everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my August Allure Beauty unboxing. I'm super excited, so we'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. Makeup unboxings, reviews, try-ons, hauls, all kinds of stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I typically upload Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. And so without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the Allure Beauty Box unboxing. I did get an email yesterday that Allure is changing their beauty box. And so as of October, they will go to, let me find my email so I actually don't misspeak here. So as of October 1st, the monthly price for Allure Beauty Box is increasing to $23. And you're also getting a major upgrade. Starting in October, you'll enjoy 6 products valued at $100, 3 or more full-sized items in every box, exclusive opportunities for your favorite luxury and indie brands at member-only pricing, special offers, blah, blah, blah. So they did say, however, that if you want to prepay now, they are still recognizing the yearly rate of $165 for the next year. So if you have the money to prepay, it is a great deal because it ends up being like $14 or $15 a box. But you're getting that upgraded $23 box value. So I am excited to see what Allure does. I honestly think that Allure is a great value right now at the $15. I think the products have, at least for me, the past couple of months have always been really great. The value is absolutely there beyond a doubt. So I'm super excited to see what they do for that $23 box. Without any more talk though, let's go ahead and jump into my August Allure Beauty unbox. I won't look in the magazine because that will tell us a lot about what the products are. Let's go ahead and jump into the box and see what we have. So the first thing that I see, which is absolutely a full-size product, is this Pixie Rose Oil Blend. It is rose and pomegranate oil, and it is a nourishing face oil. It says use in AM or PM. It has vitamin E that helps with preserving and nourishing the skin. I guess not. For some reason I thought Pixie was cruelty-free, but I guess it is not. I don't know why I thought it was. At any rate, so the Pixie Rose Oil Blend is valued at $24. This is the full-size $24 product. Let's see what it smells like. I do like Pixie. I think some of their products are really great. When you get it, the dropper comes out of the container so that you do not make a hot mess with it while in travel. And I just want to smell it. Well, I guess. Yeah. So, not very smart of me. There's like a stopper in here that is a little bit hard to get out. I'm afraid that I'm gonna... So I don't think it smells like rose. It is a very thin oil. I have too many things in my hands. Hold on. Hold on a minute. So let's go ahead and I am going to take just a little bit of drop out. You can see it is absolutely a thin oil. I know it smells a little bit like rose, but not so significantly. At least I don't think so. It is a very nourishing, hydrating oil. I typically don't like an oil like this in the morning time because I do think that it will make my makeup slide all over, especially when in the morning time, it's early when I get up. I am in just a little bit of a rush. I'm not going to wait 15 or 20 minutes to put on my makeup after I put on an oil. But at night, I do think that this is a great idea. So first product, full size, Pixie, $24. Love it. Absolutely love it. Next product that I see is this. The brand name is Floss. And this is cruelty-free. This says never tested on animals. It is a highlighter in the shade Brighten Up. And this is $20, and it looks like it is also a full-size product. Cute little packaging, very simple there. Let's see if I can open it without breaking everything. It does smell like something, but citrusy kind of. Oh, that is such a soft highlighter. I barely touched it, and I have so much, I'm gonna swatch it right here, so much on my finger. Oh my goodness, that is like a cream to powder highlighter, and I don't know if you guys can see that. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's in the shade Sunlit. I really like that, really like that. Absolutely beautiful. Super cool. Like I said, I have always loved Allure. I think they do such a great job with their products. They give a mix of makeup and skincare, and it's $15. I mean, how can you beat that? The next thing is a product from Wish, W-H-I-S-H. It is a botanical primer with yeah, I am not going to say that right. Bakuchiol. Anyways, I know I'm not saying that right. However, Bakuchiol is how you say it, with Bakuchiol. So Bakuchiol I actually learned about, and I'll do a video about this YouTuber from Pampered Wolf. Gemma is amazing. She has some great videos, and she does a great video on Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol actually acts like a retinoid. However, it is much less it makes your skin less sensitive. So people who are sensitive to retinols can get the same effect or a very similar effect as like Retin A or those kind of things with Bakuchiol. It also is antiviral, which I love. So right now, this would be an amazing product because right now with all of the stuff with the pandemic and wearing face masks and all of that kind of thing, the Bakuchiol that's in this primer, although I don't know how much is in the primer, acts like an antiviral. It also helps kind of keep everything clear on your face and provides that retinol effect. At any rate, sorry, a lot of talking there. It does have a little seal, which I also love. And let's take a look at what this primer looks like. I have too much on this hand between the oil and everything else, so I am going to put, wow, that's super thin. That is much thinner than I expected. It came out super, super quick. It doesn't smell like anything, and it is a very thin gel primer. That did go a long way. Well, that's interesting. This is not a full-size product. The full-size product is worth $45, and I'll have to check and see how many ounces that we got versus what's in here. But basically, they said that this blurring formula helps fade red blotches as well as cover over pores. How cool. Excited about this product. Very excited. Love that. Way to go, Allure. Next product that I have is actually this bar of soap. It is... there's no way I'm going to pronounce this correctly. Erno Lazlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. So that is the brand. I doubt that this is a full size. A full size product is $38. And so this is just a little size. I am not going to open this. I do not typically use bar soaps. Although they said that this emulsifies into an inky liquid that gently rids the face of grime that collects after all day. I'm going to save this. I'll put it in the giveaway. I typically am not a bar soap person, but I do like the idea behind this. It is kind of that black soap idea, so deep cleanses, kind of clears everything out. So we've gotten some things. We've got some good things for the next giveaway. Next product, again, no idea how to say this. S-U-L-W-H-A-S-O. I'm not even going to try. First Care Activating Serum. And so this serum is hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, alpha hydroxy acid to hydrate and firm the skin. Well, that's interesting. Let's take a look at this product. A full-size product is $84. This is nowhere close. I can tell you that right now. It is a cute little bottle, though. Very cute. Let's see. Oh, it's a pump. Oh, I like that. So I thought it was like a twist. I'm trying to twist it off. It's not. It's a pump. and it is completely clear. It is a serum. Oh, look at that. On the video, it looks a little darker. It's not completely clear. On my skin, it looks pretty clear. Oh, you can smell it. It smells like a very medical-ish serum kind of thing, but nice and fresh. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that. Oh, I hate to like products that are so expensive. Oh, I like that. Okay. So we'll try this. Definitely cool little skincare product. And then the last thing that I have in here is H2O Hydration Sensitive Gel Eye Cream Moisturizer. And so this, oh, here, yes, okay. Hold on. I thought I'd lost my mind. So this full size is $42, but a full size is 50 milliliters, and it looks like we got 10. So definitely not a full size, but still a little bit. And basically it says that this has chamomile to quell redness and irritation. It's also formulated with hyssop, which is hydrating, as well as squalene, which is hydrating. And squalene really helps to seal everything in as well. So a nice thing to keep all the hydration in. Cute little bottle there. Let's see what it, wow, that's sealed. Oh, and it has a seal too. Oh, everything has just made me so happy today. Seals on top of seals. That sounded way crazy. Oh. And so some has already come out. It was a pretty full bottle and very tightly sealed. I am going to put a little just right there, and you can probably barely see it. And it is a typical gel eye cream. So a lot of times, like in the evening, I use my Murad really hydrating thick cream. This is not a thick cream. It's just kind of a little bit of a gel that goes right underneath your eyes. Helps to hydrate. It helps to quell redness. Interesting. Okay, and then the very last product, they always shove a mask at the very bottom here. And so this is a Look and Mel Brightening Lift Up Perfect Fit Face Mask. Wow, that was a mouthful. It is $3 for one, so we did get a full size. It is a serum that's soaked with niacinamide and vitamin C to brightening, as well as floral and plant extracts. And it is all in Chinese in the back, so I have no idea what it says, but I'm sure just like anything, you put it on. I mean, it is literally all in Chinese in the back. Put it on, you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, I'm sure, and then you take it off. It does feel like there's a lot of serum in here, which is nice. It does feel like a typical face mask, though. I tend to like hydrogels on for my face mask, and this is not. This is just one of those paper masks. So interesting, very cool. Let's take a minute and see if I can figure out how much this box is actually worth. Remember, we only paid $15, so already we're way above it at all the products we got. So let me add this up real quick. Okay, so please forgive me if I am incorrect. Math was not ever my strongest suit. I did not add in that little soap bar because I really wasn't sure how much it cost. It was hard to find. But based on everything else, around $82, almost $83 for the box. And remember, only $15 for each thing. Absolutely worth it. I think there were some great products in this box. I'm super excited to try them all. Drop me a line. What did you guys get in your Allure boxes? I think most of them are pretty similar, although occasionally there are some variations. Did you get something different? Is there something you're really excited to try out of the box? Let me know. Drop me a line. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video on Friday. Thanks. Bye.